Hey, what's up, guys? It's Gabe Monroe with NerdTech, and I'm bringing you a video today regarding Air.ai and a GHL integration. So it's a little bit advanced. We're talking about metadata. We're talking about custom fields inside of GHL, and how do we get data on our contacts inside of GHL to be mentioned in the script. And that's done through metadata. But then we have to obviously, it's connected to the API, and how does all that look? So I'm going to walk you through this so you can kind of see how all that's done. You can reference specific data on each contact, so the call seems very customized to that specific contact. So for this scenario, I'm just going to use this very simple demo script. We're not doing advanced logic or anything like that. So we're going to use this simple script here. And let's just say we're calling the prospect, we're saying their first name. And in this first node, maybe we want to say, Gabe wanted me to check in with you, see if you're still interested in Air.ai to implement in your, let's say, this is going to be metadata dot business category. Did I spell that right? Business category. All right, so I'm going to copy that because we're going to use it somewhere else later. We need this exact word, so it's going to be metadata dot business category. What we're going to do is we're going to pretend that we need to store the category of a business inside of GHL. Could be a painter, could be plumbing company, could be a dentist, and we want to reference that company when we're following up with them and saying, hey, you are interested on our services. Maybe you sell marketing services, SEO services, and you want to reference the specific company category so that it's specific to them. And so we're going to go ahead and save that, and then maybe in this next node, we're going to say, I know the pricing was a bit high at the time because you were budgeting for, we'll do another one, metadata dot budget. All right, so all I did, like I'm literally making this up. It could be anything. I just want to put it in two different places to see how this works, but basically we're going to reference a value in our contact field where maybe on a call they said this was their budget and we were higher than that. So we're going to be able to specifically mention that. This could be anything. This could be maybe you're keeping track of someone's motivation or their reason. You could put metadata.reason. So whatever that is, we can reference that through metadata. But it's not just as simple as putting metadata. It's not going to automatically look at your high level. So the next step is we're going to go into high level. Make sure that we save this. We're going to go into high level, and I don't have those fields created. So we would want to go to settings, and this is my white labeled high level called NerdTech. If you don't have high level, I can definitely get you underneath a sub account. I do offer a better value than going to high level directly. Message me if you're interested in that. So we're going to go to fields here, and I'm just going to add a field. I'm going to make this just a text field, and we're going to do let's see, yeah, business category. We're going to put this under the contact, save, and then we're going to add another field, text field, and we're going to call this one budget. Put that on the contact, save. All right, now we have the fields. And I'm going to go back. We're going to go to contacts. We're going to go to my test contact. And we can see we have business category and budget. So I'm going to go ahead and put something in here. Let's put real estate, and let's say budget was 500 per month. Save. All right, now we have to go to where we trigger this call to happen in automations. So we're going to go to automations. I keep it in an AI call folder. We have, let's see here, AI sales, AI follow-up call demo. I think it's this script here. And I can check 85908. 85908. Okay, so my IDs match up, so this is the correct script. So as you can see here, we have no metadata. So what I do is I put this on a second line, backspace up. So I always just like to have this curly bracket down here. And then after this curly bracket, we're going to start our new line, do quotes, and the name of what we put here inside the quotes has to be exactly what we put right here, business category. So this is what it's looking for. Copying that, put it inside these quotes. After the quotes, you need to do a colon and then space, and then go to custom values, contact, and we're going to find business category. So now we just told it in the script, hey, look for this, and now reference that value. I'm going to put a comma after this, another space, double quotes. Our next item was budget. Double check to make sure, budget, make sure it's spelled exactly right, colon, space, custom values. We're going to find budget. Boom. Now, if I added a comma here, which I don't need, you can see it adds this little red circle. So just be conscious whenever you're changing anything in this body that before you save, you don't have this red dot here. That means you have an error. So we'll get rid of that, and it goes away. I have no errors. We got the ID, phone number, name, business category, phone number. So we're going to save. We're going to save this, and now I'm going to pause my video. I'm going to take my headset off, and we're going to do a live demo here to show you how this works. All right, now we're going to do a test live here of the call so that you can see it's going to reference the data that we just put in that field. I'm going to do test workflow. We're going to type for my name, click on me, and click run test. Now it's going to give me a call. Actually, it's not going to give me a call because I have my phone on Do Not Disturb. That's a good lesson to learn. I do that for my recordings so I don't get interrupted, and then I forget to take it off. All right, let's refresh. You can see I missed the call. All right, I do see people do that quite often that have their computers on Do Not Disturb. If they're doing tests through their computers or their phones, you're not going to hear the call come through, so just make sure on that. And now it'll come through. Hello?
Hey Gabe, it's Sam with NerdTech. How are you today?
I'm good. What's up?
Cool. Gabe wanted me to check in with you to see if you still had interest in Air.ai to implement in your real estate.
Yeah, maybe.
I know the pricing was a bit high at the time because you were budgeting for 500 per month, right?
That's right. Boom, there you go. Keeping it simple and short. We're not going through that whole script. It referenced real estate, business category, and 500 per month. So there you can see, that's how I do it. It's honestly pretty freaking cool. I don't know too many other platforms that allow you to be able to integrate AI calling and chatbots like that to be able to reference custom data. But man, it makes your messages super personalized, and people respond to that a whole lot better. Better for quality follow-ups when you're working your leads, and just better for anything. If you get new leads and they fill out a form,
you could reference specific data on that form on whatever their interest was, or maybe their needs, qualifications. So really the sky's the limit on how you could implement this and utilize those custom fields to really custom tailor your message. So if you need any help with that, feel free to reach out. We can do a call to discuss what your needs if you need help building it out. But if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe so I can keep making this content for you guys. Have a great rest of your week.